Hello, this video today is going to be about how to share a Google Doc with somebody in order for them to add comments to it or even be able to edit the document if they want. So once you've written your document, mine is about my EDCI 270 theme, you can click this blue share button, and if you want to adjust what they can do, comment, edit, view, just do that, and then you enter their email in this little URL bar here and click done. Once you've shared it with the person, they should be able to go in and add comments. As you can see, this person advised that I add a little bit more detail right here on this comment. The comments are the highlighted parts, and then if you click here, you can see the other comments she did. In order to resolve them, I added some onto what I had said before, and since I'm done with both of them, I'm just going to go ahead and click resolve. So that's basically everything you need to know about sharing a Google Doc.